So in this video, let's talk about how you can go ahead and make your background closer on your iPhone, and let's get started. So usually with these backgrounds, you can manage it when you swipe down from the top of the page like that, and you can see some notifications slash control center thing going on. So you can hold down on it like that, and then you can customize the wallpaper both for home screen as well as for the lock screen, right? So let's see, I'm gonna choose this one like that, and I'm gonna customize it. And I'm gonna customize the lock screen, for example. So whenever you pick a photo or something from the gallery, like that, let's say I'm gonna choose that photo. In order to make it appear closer, you just need to zoom in on that picture, right? Obviously, it might get a little bit blurry depending on the actual image or what's going on with it, but when you set it up like that, you can see that the image is now closer, and that is, of course, because I zoomed it in. If I didn't, you can see that it would just zoom out a little bit, right? So that's like the main thing. This is kind of obvious, but yeah, that's how it works. However, I want to show you one more option and a thing that people have in mind regarding this issue. So inside of the settings app, you can go to the display and brightness section, right? And you can check out some things like the display zoom, for example. So even though the wallpaper would exactly stay the same, or the background would generally look the same, you can choose to the larger text view where everything kind of appears to be more zoomed in and closer to you. So you can see there are small edges in between the notifications and apps, the text bubbles, as well as icons. Everything is larger. So this is another thing which you might want to look into. So let me know below in the comments if you managed to find out and figure out what you want to get out of your phone, and if you managed to set it up, let me know about that. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you in the future tutorials.